Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a few topics in astronomy, and difference between a few words. First of all, let's talk about exoplanets. Exoplanets are short for extrasolar planets. They exist outside our solar system and orbit other stars, just like our Earth orbits Sun. By the way, exoplanets may or may not be suitable for life. Next, supernova. Supernova is a large and powerful explosion that occurs when a star dies. During a supernova, the star releases an enormous amount of energy. You will be shocked to know about the interesting facts of supernova. Fact number 1, the supernova explosion shines very brightly, that it can outshine its entire galaxy. Fact number 2, the explosion may even lead to the formation of new elements. Fact number 3, in some cases, the core of the star that undergoes supernova collapses to form either a neutron star or a black hole. Now let's talk about nebula. So what is a nebula? Well, in simple words, a nebula is a vast cloud of gas and dust in space. These clouds are the birthplaces of stars and planetary systems. They come in various shapes, sizes and colors. Examples of nebulae are the Pillars of Creation, and the Cat's Eye Nebula. Well, now you might be thinking, what is a nebulae? It is the plural form of nebula. In the same way, the plural form of supernova is supernovae. Well, now let's talk about interstellar and intergalactic space. Interstellar space is the space between star systems. It contains little gas and dust. Whereas, the space between galaxies is known as intergalactic space. It contains extremely low densities of gases, dust, and matter. Now, we are going to differentiate between astronomy, astrology, and astrophysics. Astronomy is the scientific study of stars, planets, and the universe. Whereas, astrology is just a bullshit. It is a belief that the moments and positions of stars and planets influence your mood and behavior. And it is scientifically disapproved. Astronomy is a study of celestial objects, whereas astrophysics uses principles of physics to understand the physical properties and mechanisms of celestial objects. By the way, celestial objects are the objects that exist in space. Now you might be wondering,
oh man, I heard a word called cosmology. What is it?
I am going to clarify it. Basically, cosmology is the study of the origin and structure of the universe. Cosmologists research on topics like dark matter, dark energy, interactions of celestial objects to understand the beginning of universe clearly. And yeah, it is a scientific study, not like astrology. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to apply a little bit of contact force on the like button. And share this video to your friends, so that they can also know about these things. And subscribe to our channel for more educational content that will blow up your mind, just like the bomb that landed peacefully on Hiroshima and Nagasaki.